Hello, my name is Lidis Maria Mesa Cadena. Task 6 Evaluation Final. ELT Tech Text and Assessment. Electronic Portfolio. Lidis Maria Mesa Cadena. Academic Process of the ELT course. Introduction. In the development of the present ELT Testing and Evaluation course, the purpose is that the student or future teacher become familiar with the concept of evaluation, assessment, on learning texts that allow them to strengthen the teaching learning process in foreign language guides that they teacher to collect, analyzing and interpreting information that allow them to determine viability and thus be high to make the necessary decisions regarding it. In addition, in the development of the course, texts were carried out where the development of communication skill or abilities were practiced to imitation on some pages such as Cambridge ITFET Saber 11. Exam that allow teacher to develop and strengthen special or foreign language that may in easier from the to teach both children and adolescents the English language. In short, different academic activities were carried out the order to the student in this academic formation process and the meaningful learning. Objective. Design a portfolio that evidence the academic activity carried out during the ELT Testing and Assessment course. Task 1. Assessment Context. To look for the concept of assessment, evaluation or testing in virtual information or for the strengthening of the teaching in foreign language. Task 1. Step 1. Checking the student must be clear about the difference between assessment, evaluation, or text. Step 2. Question and answer. Answer the following question. What is the standardized text in education? What is the purpose of the standardized text? What are the types of the standardized text? The main texts at the international level are. What are the norms for standardized text? Step 3. Reflection. Based on your experience, reflect what you wrote in the forum on the following question. Bibliograph reference. Tag dog. Assessment designs. To designs part 3 and 4 from the start text to imitation the exam from Cambridge for the strengthening of the teaching in foreign language. Task 2. Objective. Step 1. Information. Web conference summary. Step 3. 6-year-old profiles. Step 4. Design part 3 and B. Listen. Bibliograph reference. To design reading and writing from the start text to imitation the exam from Cambridge for the strength of teaching in foreign language in children's. Task 3. Individual text. Stetre Literates for Visual Learnings. Task Force Assessment Proposal to design part saber 11 text imitation the example for the extending of the teaching in foreign language in adolescence. Task 4. Commence Course Teaching Methods. Conclusión. En conclusión de ELT Texting and Assessment Course, ayuda the student to identify key concepts at assessment, evaluation, and text that allowing the teacher to develop criteria to formative evaluation the student to different tools and strategies such as Cambridge Saber ITFE 11 exam, other that allowing the development of the communication skill, the teaching of foreign language, especially in children and adolescents. In short, the course allowed me to consolidate my previous knowledge and learning to analyze and design effect type the test as well as the learning to use at management of all days tools that allow the activity to be more interactive and innovation when the teaching our students. Thanks.